definitely don't want a white fridge, but this is 9 cubic feet for you guys wondering. This is 49. This is also 9 cubic feet. Okay, it's the same thing. I'll show you what's in stainless steel. Okay, so this is the only one on sale, it seems. Or one of the only ones. Okay. So this is at 15% off. This is 10. Oh, this is not bad. And it has this, I think, drink water pour situation. Egg tray. Vegetable rack. This is for $47,999. Alright, so this is the one I think I was looking at online that I wanted. So this is going to be 25% off. Has the drink maker thing, 15 cubic feet. It says silver. Yeah, I miss it. Yeah, the other things inside. So yeah, I think this is the one I'm going to get based on what I looked at online. Yeah, these other ones, but they're not on sale. Let me just show you some two-door fridge. So this is for $169.99. It's from the brand Samsung. It's really good. Very deep. It is. Ugh. So here, features. It's 22 cubic feet. Yeah. They also have this one with the ice maker for $197.99. It's from Whirlpool. It is 25 cubic feet, so this one is bigger than the last one I just showed you. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I went and I got my stuff, so I took a little break, but I'm gonna show you everything else. Oh lord, let me put on my mask. Alright, so this is a L sectional. Here they have, and it is $139,000. Here they also have this coffee table, $12,999. Let's go over here. Guys, these things are not on sale. Here's another end table. I like this end table actually. The tones, $15,999. There's a dining table, more modern looking. $39,000. So yeah, these are not on sale. Probably, I think some of the things he said was 10% off, but they're not labeled. So we don't even know really what's on sale. Here's this other coffee table. This one is actually really reasonable. Another sectional. So I'm going to have something like this made, but I see more reasonable prices for this online from like Jamaicans. Then you have these armchairs, accent chairs over here. This is 70% off. Wait, whoa. That's actually a good deal. I just don't like the print. But that really is actually a good deal. Let's see if it's comfortable. It's so comfortable. Oh my god. Guys, it's so comfortable. Then we have this one for 40% off. That too is also a good sale. Maybe you guys could wrap this over if you really want it. Wow, that actually is a good deal. This is another accent chair. This is 70. Oh, this one sold. It's nice. Just don't like the fabric, but it's a good deal for 70% off, guys. That's a good deal. Then they have this dining table. This is sold. I like the top of this. I'd actually use this for decks too right now because you can't get any decks in Jamaica because of work from home and online schooling. Just don't like the the bench, but the table, you could get it. Right, so we're looking at stoves. So we have this one here, Master Tech 29,999. This is the stove. And it's see-through, you can see it. Here are the features: 5 burner, animal cooktop, full view oven door, easy clean, and it has a little cover, I think. We have this one, but guys, we're not really at the white stove again. Jesus, me hate white stove. But I'm also looking at this one. This is 54,000. This is 69,000. But no sale is on these, guys. If it doesn't have the sales sticker, there's no sale. Electronic ignition, I like that. Stainless steel cooktop, sensor thermostat, 2 jumbo burners. I'm guessing these are the jumbo burners. Oh, the jumbo burner. Oh no, in the back. Panoramic oven door. The oven is really big, guys. Really big. The whole stove is big. It's 30 inch. This is the one that's on sale, actually. This is from Whirlpool. It has the cover. It was really clear. If you can see the cover right here. It's 72,000. And then I did the math. It's going to be 71,000 with the discount because tax is not on this as yet. So the tax is going to bring it up. Then it's going to take it off 15%. It's going to be 71. So here it is. So yeah, I actually really like this one, silver and black. It's stainless steel, I believe. I think should be. But yeah. Then you have some other expensive ones over here. They're not really in my budget today. But yeah. And then you have some smaller ones because not everyone's going to get a big one. 59, but oh, might as well. Oh, is it electronic? Electronic small one. So this is a more expensive stove, you know, stove with all the little features, frozen bake technology, true conventional cooking, speed heat burners, and it has all the manual stuff up here. I think these are 2 ovens, something like that. Yeah, it's too rich for me. It's too rich for me right now, but one day. You grab this one for 99. Has like the digital panel where you control the oven. The 2 racks. Yeah. Alright, so here are the more cost-effective stoves. So you'd get this one for 21,000, well 25% off. So 21,000 add tax, 25% off. It's 4 burners. You get to look oven. Okay. Why this? What's the one for touching up? And it's a little cover so. I just got the 6 burner, guys, because it was on sale and it almost worked out to the same thing. Because look at this 4 burner, 61,999. It won't, tax is not on this yet. With tax is 71,299. I hope you're seeing that. And then I got mine with tax for 72. It was a 6 burner, 30-inch, and it had basically a larger oven than this, and it had the griddle. So it worked out back really good. Alright, so here is a couch set. I realized I didn't get to show you guys. This living room set here. It's quite exquisite. I think this is one of the best. The fabric is like, it almost looks like canvas. It's soft though. It's nice. Especially from far away, it's very crisp and nice. So 179,999 plus tax for this 2-piece set. Oops, sorry. So here we go. And then they've staged it with this table here, coffee table, 39,999 at 60% off. Here it is. A really large coffee table. Oh, it's no, it's a 3-piece occasional table set. So I believe this piece should be in it. Yeah, I think this end table should be in it as well, and maybe another end table. But I believe this is sold. Yeah. Alright, so here we have this seat, this couch. This is at 40% off, and it's originally $119,999. Cushions are complimentary. There's ones there. So for just this piece, that's the price. Can you believe? Yeah. And then I see this piece over here. I don't see the price, but I doubt. From what they were explaining last night on their live, I think this piece alone was for this cost. Here's a coffee table, $12,999. Oh, so here's one of those sectionals, but this one has a storage. So here it is with the storage up, where you pull down that and it would be a part of the seat. So this is $85,999 plus tax. These are my tones, more my tones, and this one's sold already. 105,000, 30% off. So yeah, these are the tones I like. And there's a stylish coffee table. It's different. It's $18,999 plus tax. Alright, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. And upstairs has like beds, mattress, bar stools, more sofas. So let me show you guys the beds that are on sale. I think this is saying 30% off. Isabella bedroom set. Yeah. So I'm getting my bed set made, so I'm not really in the market for this today, but just so you guys can see. This is the chest. It is 5 drawers. And this is the nightstand. Let's continue with beds. Okay, I see a bed over here. So here is a bed. It kind of has that crate. You know those beds they're doing with the crate look? Oh, this one's sold already. So 30% off. I don't even see the original price. Here's a nightstand. This bed frame, okay, it was 219,000. Then I think with the 30% off, you know, you get a discount. Here's a dresser. It's 20% off. Wow, that's actually a good deal, guys. It has a mirror. It is what at 5 plus 2, 7 drawers. Up here, seeing. Yeah, it has the mirror. I look like I look criminal. A really big mirror too. Show you guys one more bed or two. We have these. Oh, this one has the drawers here that you pull out 2 of them. Here's the bed. So okay, so the headboard for king, 39,999. The footboard is 44,999, and the panel slats is 19,999. And here's also the dresser. So yeah, the dresser 880. The mirror 12,999. So this one, the mirror is sold separately. 6 drawer dresser. Here we have this accent chair, 62.99, 999. That's a bit much, very bit much. Here's the chest, 5 drawer chest, 64,999 plus tax, you know. Here is one bed frame that is actually on sale, 30% off, 24,999. The headboard, and it has a mirror here. So hi, it's a mirror headboard. Here is the matching chest. Not a bad price. And they have like decor pieces on sale too. Well, I don't think they're on sale, but they're here. Show you one more bed. So here you have, I love this wood. This is the tone of the wood I want for my bed. Well, not for my bed, but for my dresser or my chest. It's $119,999. 79,999 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chests, 6 drawer chest. And we have the dresser here, 110,000. Step back so you can see it. Yeah, this is the night table, $32,999. So this would be the room setup. I love this rug. Oh, here they have also another night table. Alright. So my smart idea was that instead of buying a makeup chair for my clients, I would get a bar stool because it actually saves money and to me it has the same function. So here they are. Online I was looking at this one. It would be, hold up, $8,999, and he said these ones were 10% off all these bar stools. But when I sat on this one, the back part is a bit too low, and you know, I have customers, I want them to be as comfortable as possible, so I went ahead and I got this one. So it won't hurt my back. They can sit, they'll be at a good advantage. No. But yeah, $11,599. I could also put a cushion on this if they're made them even more comfortable and a bit higher in the seat. But for now, it works. They have good back support. I love it. Here, well, these are the same thing. There's two of them, and I just got one because I will only have one client at a time, especially with all that's going on now. Here's a dining table set. It's at 20% off. Show you some more dining room sets. Not seeing the price of this one, but here it is. This one is actually sold. It was $49,999, and these have 4 chairs. It's a cushion on the chair. So yeah, it's sold. So these will be my, my next pieces I want to get soon. This dining room table set is at 20% off, and this is a 6-seater walnut finish, and it has a curved back effect. So if you're seeing here, it's curved, a bit more comfortable, and they have cushions wrapped, everything. This is similar to the one over there, but a bit shorter and wider. Oh no, or it's the same thing. Yeah, maybe it's the same thing. So this one was at 30% off. Sold already. So here we're stepping into something more modern. So you would pull out these benches here. Yes. 4-seater. $52,999. So it's different, very different. And this one, wow, this is actually a deal too, but it's just that no cushion on this. But this is a 6-seater dining table at 40% off, $27,999. So if you needed a dining room table, guys, you could add cushions to these. Something can go on, because I think that's a really good deal. And also, I also like this stone. It's not real wood though, but it has the look. This is nice. Wow, I love this. But it's picking up here. It's not real wood, guys, or anything like that. And you have the stools, 4 of them, and it's 70% off, $59,999. That actually is really good. And under here, I believe it's the pull-out wine rack. Yeah, wine rack included on the table. So here it is, guys. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite pieces down below in the comments. Thank you for watching and welcome home.